Hello. How you doing today? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Eric. Welcome to my channel again. I want to introduce to you another great company I'm investing in. They're called Novatech. Novatech is a registered trading company. They deal with Forex and crypto trading. Here you can see their site. They offer PAM account, which basically we do the investment, and they take our money and they use the forex and the crypto market to trade for us. So they're a trading company, registered trading company from 2019. They've been around for over 3 years, and they are performing very well. Never missed a payment, and they produce sustainable yields of between approximately 3 and 4% a week. It's very sustainable, and they'll be doing great. So let me take a little bit here to their PDF right here, and let's talk about Novatech a little bit. So here's the earning disclaimer. You can see the founders, the CEO, the COO, and the CTO, the Chief Technology Officer, and the CEO. Her name is Cynthia. She's very visible. They do a lot of Zooms. Like, again, they're a registered company in the United States. Novatech is a subsidiary, NovaPay LLC, and boasts some of the industry's top leading professional worldwide. Our products and services are backed by ATM's crypto debit card transactions and the crypto and forex trading market. You can read this on your own. I'm just going through here because otherwise it would take too long. So, like I said, Novatech is a registered MetaTrader broker operating its own trading platform, one of the deepest liquidity pools in the industry, and they offer cryptocurrency and Forex MT5 trading platform with PAM account, which basically they do the trading for us. And here they go a little bit deeper and they explain what they do, their trading programs. This is their PAM account, percentage of allocation management module. Here are all the what they do, the live trading, no experience needed at all. They are fully automated. They have an online support portal, and upgrade and cancel anytime you want. They're going here again, the live trading experience. They do all the trading for us. They have like a performance report that I'll go through pretty soon here, and you can go through this PDF, which is inside our website. And why are we different? No expiration dates. That means let's say you invest $1,000 and they pay once a week, so you would get your average between 3 and 4% once a week on Friday. Now you can do this passively, and you can also build. If you're a network marketer and you build a team, there's a whole chart with percentages that you can have an extra passive income. Now they offer different trading packages, starting at the builder, $99 to $499. Now this carries $25 monthly service fee. Now that means you don't have to every month deposit $25. They'll just take this off your profit from your trading account. Now the next level is a bronze, $500 to $2,499, and the next one is silver, $2,500 to $49.99. The gold is $5,000 to $9,999. You got the platinum one from $10,000 to $24,999. And also they have a VIP one, which is from $25,000 to $99,999. This includes like a cashback. You can read all about it. And there's a President's Club for for high investors here. They got a really good support team. And this is a great business opportunity. As they say, they have a one-of-a-kind hybrid compensation plan. And this is, again, if you're MLM, if you understand about unilevel and binary, they use the binary system, Novatech. And you have 7 ways to get paid. Direct referral bonuses. This is on your team building. Direct referral bonuses, fast track bonuses, check matching weekly, residential bonuses, rank achievement, rank based profit sharing. And here they go into more details of your basically the referral program and all the levels. Let's say somebody comes down on your downline, any of these packages, and you will make all these bonuses off their deposits. And there's indirect referral bonuses, which means on levels from level 1 to level 9, if you're building a team and you brought somebody in and they bring somebody in, you make percentages of that. So you can take it both ways. You can be completely passive, and I see this like a retirement plan for the future. And some people like myself, basically I never withdrew. So every profit I make weekly, I just redeposit, and that way my balance grows, and the next week after they trade with the profit that you make plus the money you invested originally in. So you have here residual income as well, lifetime bonuses, rank achievements, and goes on and on. Now when I go up here, it gives you more details about the company, where they're located, their email, all the support. You have here the privacy policy, terms of use. You can all read that. And next thing I want to show you here is basically their performance report. So let's see. Performance report for July 22nd. That would be, they made the 3.19%, which passes on to us. So if you invested $1,000, you would make for that week 3.19% out of that $1,000. And it goes back a week before that, 3.3%. A week before that, 3.27%. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a bear market. And look at this great performance, 4.03%, 1st of July. And here, 24th of June, it was a little bit lower, 2.7% for the week. And June 17th, 3.14%. And it goes on and on and on and on. Now, I'll go inside my account. And this is my account. This is how it looks like. You have here this left bar with menus. I won't go into details on each one of it. There's like video training that you can right here, training videos. Maybe I pulled it up here. Let's see. You can just go back here, video training, and it goes every part of the system. On the left side, you can they have like a video for it. So in order to fund your account and register, you would need to register. So basically what you got to do is we go here to get started, let it load up. So basically once you go in here, you choose your username or email to log in. Your personal website name, so that means like here, I called myself Metabox, and then it goes metabox.novatechfx.com, so you can put that here. Your country of residence, you choose here your password, secret questions like questions and answers. This is for security reasons. If you're United States citizen, you have your social security number, and you can choose the languages. You have here Spanish and English, and your first name, last name, your phone number, your email, If you're doing this through a company, you can do that. And your birth date. And here basically you create, it's like an extra layer of security, like a 4-digit PIN number, which I'll show you where you use it at. And here you put your residential address, where you live, and you click all the check boxes right here, complete enrollment, and you're ready to go. Now I have to state that once you create your account, you have 48 hours to fund your account with one of the packages that I went through before. And if you don't do that within 48 hours, your account will automatically be deleted and you'll have to re-register again from the beginning. So if you plan to just register to look around, it's fine. If you plan to invest in this platform, obviously you need to fund your account. Being said that, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm showing you this educational purposes only. I'm showing you what I'm doing, the way I'm doing it. You do your own due diligence and you decide for yourself if you like to invest with Novatech, and I'll be happy if you use my link on the YouTube channel in the description, and we'll get rolling from there. So in order to fund our accounts, we just go to funding. We go to enrollment package. And we basically here we choose the membership level that we would like to invest in. Now I suggest to you guys not to enroll in the package called affiliate license, which is $49.95. You won't get a free trading account. You'll have to do trading for yourself using their system. So I highly recommend at least starting with the builder package. It will be from $99 to $499, or the bronze package from $500 to $24.99, and you can see the rest of the packages here. So once that loads, already populate this with $1,000. You would need to choose coin payments. This is a third-party payment gateway system that Novatech works with. The very big gateway payment. You can check them out if you'd like to. You can choose to invest with 4 different kinds of coins, either Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or USDT, ERC20, which would be on the Ethereum network. So I'm going to choose ETH because I'm using an add-on extension which is called MetaMask, which is right here. Okay, and you can also choose your Exodus wallet or Binance wallet or Binance to basically make the payment and fund your account. So I use, like I said, Ethereum, and I do the check marks over here. I do the validation. That loads up here. And once that loads, all you need to do is upgrade your account, confirm. We'll let it load up again. Okay, and once that loads up, you can see here the address that we need to copy and paste into the wallet that you're going to send your funds into, or if you use MetaMask like I do, and let's say you would like to purchase $1,000 worth of Ethereum, ETH, you just go to buy, and you can use Coinbase payment gateway or Transact payment gateway or MoonPay. On each one of those, it's a simple KYC. You need to verify yourself, and then you can proceed with the payment. And once you do, all you need to do is basically you go to send. You paste the address that we copied here, so I'll just go here, I'll do this. I'll go copy, and then I will go here back to MetaMask, and I'll do paste, and I'll go back here and I'll copy the exact amount. Oops, sorry. Which would be this amount here. This is the exact amount you need to copy. Go back here, paste the amount, and we just go next. Okay, and we need to confirm. Obviously I don't have the amount, but if I would, that would take between 30 minutes to 1 hour. It will land on your. Okay, once we do that, we'll wait for our funds to land in Novatech, like I said before, and you should see it here. This is mine trading account. This is the amount I have right now. This is what I made this week. Obviously, if you invest more, you're gonna get more, and obviously if you use the affiliation program and you talk to your friends, family, and they deposit their funds, you're gonna make your commission on them as well. So Novatech, great system. Company from 2019, registered company in the United States. You can do your own due diligence. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. And if you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel, do a like, and hit the bell so you can get notified when I come up with new content. So have a nice weekend. Well, you guys who are starting your weekend earlier, and we will talk soon. Bye bye.